Well, we've arrived. The moment we've been building toward for the past 4 weeks. Today we're going to wrap up our list with the fifth and final hack in our list of 5 hacks for kick butt product demos on this edition of Quick Hits. What's up, hitters? This is Brandon Grieve with High Impact Technical Sales, enabling and inspiring you to crush it in technical sales. It's been a fun journey, and we've explored the first 4 hacks in our list of 5 hacks for kick butt product demos, as voted on by you. If you've missed any of the videos so far, be sure to check them out. I'll leave a link in the comments below. Also, please help us spread the word by smashing the like button below and leaving a comment. Let's go ahead and land this plane. Number 5. Let the customer drive. More often than not, the individuals for whom we're demonstrating our product are the folks who will be using it as part of their job. As such, one of our goals should always be to make certain that they're as comfortable with it as possible. We want them to be positive influencers and champions for us. One way to do that is to turn the keyboard and mouse over to the customer where possible and let them drive. Giving them hands-on access provides a fully immersive experience with the product. There are a few benefits to this. It keeps their attention and helps them be more engaged. It helps them better remember what they're learning. And it allows them to become more emotionally invested, which means they're more likely to push for your solution internally. I'm not suggesting to turn over the keys and walk away. It's important that you continue to guide the demo exactly the same if you were remaining the controls yourself. You want to walk them through each click and explain to them what they're doing along the way. This is a new approach for many sales engineers and may take some getting used to. But it doesn't have to be all or nothing. For instance, another idea is for the SE to start the demo in full control and then turn it over to the customer to help complete specific tasks. This may not be practical in every situation and may be challenging over a web conference, but it's worth consideration nonetheless. Anything you can do to get the customer more involved is always beneficial. Give it a shot. If handled well, I believe you'll be pleased with the results. If not, no harm, no foul. With that, we've covered 5 hacks for kick butt product demos. Demos can be one of the most powerful tools in the sales engineer's tool belt, but this is only true if delivered effectively. A poor demo can actually do more harm than good, and we certainly don't want that. The next time you're getting ready to give a product demo, adopt the 5 hacks outlined in this series. They will help you increase your confidence and ensure a smooth delivery. It will also be more impactful for the customer, which in turn improves your chances of earning the sales win. But what do you think? I'd love to hear your feedback. Leave a comment and let's talk about it. Stay tuned for next week's video, where we'll be kicking off a brand new Quick Hit series topic. If you have ideas for a topic you'd like for us to cover, please leave a comment or send me a direct message. Until next time, be enabled, be inspired, and go crush it in technical sales.